Hi guys, welcome to a 10-minute standing ab routine. Get ready to burn calories, shred fat, and flatten your stomach. My name is Joy Cameron and I have the pleasure of being your instructor throughout this video. We are going to focus on ab workouts that are going to tighten the core, that are going to increase our heart rate, at the same time including our lower body and upper bodies. So without further ado, the workout starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, welcome. We're going to begin on our mat with a side knee crunches. I want you to exhale as your knee touches your elbow and inhale as your foot touches the mat. Remember, you guys, keeping your core engaged is what really spikes this exercise to affect your abdomen in the right way. So I want you to tighten in your core, squeeze from your belly, and breathe. Let's go. And the opposite side now. Alright, the next movement is crossover knee crunch. So we're going to take opposite elbow to opposite knee and do a crossover crunch. Still exhaling as you tap each knee to each elbow. I want you to inhale as you're standing straight up in the air. Here we're going to do walking high knees. So just a high knee walkout. Remember to keep your core engaged. You may see me crunch in my upper body a little bit because I really want to create tension on my core. So as I'm bringing my knee up to my chest or to the palms of my hand, I'm also crunching in with my upper body just to have some extra pressure and create the form that I like. And exhale as we touch our knee to our palms of our hand. This one is a diagonal single leg crunch. So we're going to step in diagonal position. We're going to put our one leg behind us, and we're going to bring it from behind to touch our palms. All right, and now we're gonna rotate to the opposite side. Same motion, same movement. Make sure you step back with the opposite leg and then drive that knee forward as you bring your palms to touch your knee. Exhaling as your knee is tapping your palms. The next movement is going to be a wood chop. So simply be in a wide leg position. You're going to act like you're holding a weight in your hand and your palms are going to be folded together. You're going to swing your palms from your hip to the opposite side up in the air. So it's like diagonal motion from your hip all the way to the opposite side in the air, while you are making sure you're using that heel as leverage. If you're doing this properly, you're going to feel the tension on that side of your abdomen getting tighter. This is one of my favorite moves because I feel its effectiveness. Same thing on the opposite side. As we are doing the motion with our arms, we want to turn our heel up and then come back down. You can go slow and controlled, but tighten your core as you're making this motion. Very good. Still breathing in from that core, taking nice inhalations and those deep exhalations. Very well. The next movement we're going to have a bent knee ankle tap. Keep the motion steady, you guys. Keep going. We're simply just going to take the opposite hand to the opposite ankle and tap it. We're going to bend our knees and bring it up to our palms for this motion. Alright, the next is a rest. You guys, this is our final rest before we finish the workout. Like I said, keep that heart in motion. Make sure you can sway side to side like me with a small acceleration, or you can do jumping jacks or run in place, or you can just walk it out for a little bit. You want to keep this pace going very smoothly. Alright, you guys, the next movement is jumping jacks. We're going to still be breathing steady from our tummies, maintaining our breath. We're going to hold this with me. If my pace is too fast, you can slow down. But I hope you guys are really enjoying this workout from here. I am. We don't have much further to go. You guys are doing excellent. Keep up the good work. Guys, we have finished. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again in another video. Ta-ta. For now, have a great, beautiful, blessed week ahead. Thank you again. Bye-bye.
Yeah, life is a blessing. So you gotta pay attention, pay attention. Life is a blessing. Now check it. Yo, life is a blessing. So every day I try to pay attention to the lessons. Nature is reflected, roots are reconnected when you look inside yourself, and the truth will be revealed with any hand that is dealt. Now can't you see? Once you see the scenery around you, nature provides the vibes to keep us down to a healthy mind state. No wait, the clouds have found you, looking at those pearly gates, wishing for round two. Back those steps to all before you crawl, before those judgments when that energy was raw. Question mankind, abide by nature's lie. I don't like the legal system, they got one too many flaws. Pardon me for running off my job, but these lyrics are raw like sunny days in the autumn of fall. I'm telling y'all to bring the pure light. Yeah, I know you heard right, bringing cloudy days with some sunlight. Light up the mic and strike with ambition, cruising down the road like bikes and transmissions. Lyrics that I write are for